Welcome back to the channel. Just a quick reminder for those of you guys who had been wanting to know when Strategy Wars Season 2 is being released. We have been talking about it coming up, and some of you guys had expressed interest and wanted us to give an official announcement when it was going to be started and when signups were ready. So
it is now.
I have Commissioner Jay here with me, and I wanted to give you guys the official announcement that you can officially sign up now. In order to sign up, what you're going to have to do, if you are already a member of the trading floor, that's great. You're already one step at joining. You just need to go into the Discord, go to the battlefield in the Discord, the hashtag battlefield. I will insert a picture for you guys here with an arrow telling you where to go. So you'll go there in the pinned messages. Again, I'll insert a picture for you so you guys can see where you're going. Click there and you will be able to see the sign up form. Please follow the directions and make sure that you include your full Discord name along with the 4-digit number that comes after your Discord name. Also, make sure that when you pick your team, that is the team you want, or else Jay, wherever he is on this screen, will be very annoyed with you.
You can only submit once, guys, so please make sure you look through everything and decide on that. And once you make your submission, it is final. You have until October 31st at the end of New York session. So for Americans, that's about 4 p.m. Central Time, Chicago. So make that reference wherever you need to do it. But yeah.
So you guys have until close of market on the 31st. If you're not sure what team you want to be in, you're still a little bit unsure, go ahead and look around. All of the rooms are still open. Make sure you're shopping. Ask them questions. Talk to the people from season 1 that are in there, the new people that are coming in. Everybody's starting to get a little bit hype in their rooms. So you definitely can ask some of those questions. See what's the best fit for you. You are committing to this for an entire month. This is a big commitment for you as a trader to push yourself. So make sure you're picking the right thing that's best for you. So don't be afraid to ask questions, you guys, in the rooms about the style, the sessions, the pairs that people are using, and if they like it. So if you guys are interested in knowing how to join, if you are not in the trading floor, first go to the trading floor link below, sign up as a member. Make sure you get into the Discord. That's important. Once you get into the Discord, follow the other directions that I just told for the members. Once you guys are signed up, you will be in Battlefield. You'll see that that's where we will post all of our information to you guys. There's also a live that I will show you guys where to find that Jay and I did with a live Q&A, answering questions about Season 2 specifically and what to expect. Any level trader is allowed to compete. You can literally be a brand new trader and you can compete. You can be intermediate or advanced. There is no limitations to this, and you can use any style account to compete. So if you're still on demo account, no worries. You can still compete on this. If you're funded already, that's great. If you're going for a challenge, even better, because there's some bonus points that are hidden in there. And if you are on a live account, also you can compete. So there is no restrictions when it comes to that. So if you guys are looking to kind of push yourselves a little bit, have more of a focus on one strategy and have that team mentality to help you focus on what you're actually looking to trade and help yourselves become profitable, make sure that you are joining, because Season 1 was such a success.
It was so fun.
It was so much fun. And Season 2 is going to be even bigger and has even more twists and has even more fun stuff. So definitely make sure you guys are joining if you want. We are going to leave you guys with Jay's ridiculous hype video that he made. So if you guys haven't watched it already, make sure you watch it. But that is our hype video that we are going to leave you guys with. And thank you so much for listening. And I hope to see you guys in Strategy Wars Season 2.
And welcome to the show.
Ooh, let the games begin. I'm excited to start shit talking.
There was once a time of peace when the commissioner kept balance between the factions, but that all changed when the samurais attacked. Only the commissioner had mastered all 6 disciplines, but when the world needed him most, he pitted it against itself in strategy wars. The Brute Force Butchers. The 3-Line Strikers. The Outback Outlaws. The Happy Trail Hoplites. The Stairmaster Samurais. The Mandalorian Delta Force. Nearly $1 million in revenue. Over 1,000 profitable days across 300 traders. What does the future hold? And what games will the commissioner play? Strategy Wars is back.
Round 2.
Fight to climb to the top and be crowned a victor.
Welcome to the fucking show.